Hey, what's up, everybody? It's Omar S. Let me close that. Shout out to Screencast-O-Matic tutorial. And this is how I'm making this video. So check out Screencast-O-Matic.com. I think that's what it was. This guy really helped me. So just want to give a shout out to them. If you could see that. Screencast-O-Matic.com. And this guy, Technology for Teachers and Students. I'm going to subscribe to him. Give him a thumbs up. I'll post a link in the vid. It's my first time doing this new stuff. And I thought this was interesting. It's 11:03 p.m. Orange County has a mini Grand Canyon. Here's a peek. It looks cool. Blow this up. This idyllic stretch of the Santa Ana Mountains foothills is usually off limits to the public. You better open it up. Well, doesn't look like it. Wary Wildlife, The Sinks. This is a big old long read. Maybe 10 minutes. I don't want to waste your time. Just want to see if we can get in there. Doesn't look like it. Let's do a Control F. Open. There's none. Public. Do that. Usually off limits. There's 6 matches. Access sometimes limited to 1 day every 2 months. Okay. Where's this at? In areas where there's regular public access in Irvine and Laguna Beach, we see very little wildlife. Anyone wanting to visit restricted areas can find a list of tours, events, and public access days. Let's go outside.org. Let's go outside.org. That last one was on the register. So, Command D, because I'm on the Mac. I'm gonna add it. And that's it. Just wanted to test this thing out. Hope you enjoyed. Maybe I made it too long.